Guys, wait, you need to listen to this. The Fed's cutting interest rate tomorrow might not be the biggest event in the world right now. There is one more event that is happening just after this that we need to look after. What we should be looking at right now is the economic projections data that will be released just after the Fed meeting. And in this meeting, the SEC gives all the economic projections, and it happens after every two Fed meetings. Well, this data in particular, it highlights Fed's predictions on unemployment rate, inflation, and the most important thing that is directly controlled by the Fed, that is interest rate decisions for the next rate cut that will be happening in December and the following year, that is 2026. So out of nutshell, I would want to tell you this very important event that we should all be tracking in order to understand what economic trends in the US and world could be for the coming year and end of this year. Also, I would want you to give certain reminders. US bond yields are the highest since last 20 to 25 years. It's almost at 2008 level, right? And the next thing that is concerning in US right now is the inflation, the rising inflation, right? It has again started to rise. US inflation has already taken an uptrend. And third thing here is the non-farm payroll data shows that US job market is not performing well and inflation is rising. So this doesn't add up. So this data will make it all clear. This will give us a crystal clear view of the year that is to come, that is year 2026.